Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 search bar not working after installing update. First method is right-click taskbar, click News and Interests, click Turn Off. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Click View Installed Updates. Select KB5003214, click Uninstall. Click Yes to continue. Click Restart now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.